Guys, today I'm gonna catch fish using a dog leash. And then when a fish grabs it, ooh, look, it's reeling him in on its own. Hey guys, this is Monster Mike and you're watching Monster Mike Fishing. There's a hurt duck over here. I'm not sure what kind of bird that is. You alright, buddy? Oh. Oh, what happened to him?
A wildlife rescue type of thing? Yeah. That'd be nice.
Hurt duck.
If you could call somebody and they can pick him. I don't know if they
don't go take it. I have to pick it up and take it there.
Really?
Can you pick him up?
I can.
See if he'll let you.
No, they're not going to like me, but I can catch it and take it. They only have to do something else.
You have to have big gloves on those.
No, I used to have. No.
Yeah, they were so pretty.
Yeah.
He's got one bag. He's got one bag leg.
Was hit by a car.
Oh, he got hit by a car?
Probably.
Will he eat bread?
Any way we can put it there? I can
Yeah. Watch. We're going to grab him right now.
It's okay, catch it. You don't have to press. Okay, that doesn't work.
Oh, okay, look, pin him against the fence. Pin him against the fence, pin him.
Oh, no, you're so good about that. Okay, wait.
Wow. See if you can get it.
Okay.
Get him. Get him. Oh, watch out, you're gonna get attacked. You're gonna get attacked. Alrighty. See ya. Retractable dog leash right here. And I'm gonna use this to catch big fish. So it's gonna be pretty fun. So you just press this button right here to let this out. Let's see how long it lets out. Wow. And then when a fish grabs it, wow, that thing got some snap. This is gonna be sick. We're gonna reel in fish with a dog leash. We're gonna catch fish with this, so it's gonna be pretty fun. It lets you let out, like, I don't know, pretty long, and then once a fish grabs it, we're just gonna release this button, and it's gonna reel in the fish on its own. I have a little clear leader right here, so the fish won't be too spooked, and then they'll bite. I got the hook on this end, so we're gonna be adding bread to the hook. We're gonna be throwing it out in the pond. Let's see what we can catch with a dog leash. Okay, so we're gonna bait up the dog leash right now. Let's see what we can catch. I got some bread. All right, I'm gonna add some Wonder Bread. Whoa, a lot of birds. All right, so we're adding the bread right now to the dog leash. Sweet. Before we use a retractable dog leash to catch big fish, I want to give a shout out from the last trivia question, and it's Florida Spawn Fishing. Congrats, you got all questions right. There'll be another trivia question at the end of this video, so comment your answers. All right, guys, I got a bite. Okay. There we go. Yep, got one. Reeling him in with a dog leash. Look, I don't even have to do anything, guys. Look at this. Look, it's reeling him in on its own. Look. There it is. To the top. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I got some bread on right now. Oh, let's test it out. Ooh. There we go. And another. Look, just reeling it in on its own. On the retractable dog leash. This is sick. Oh, what do we got? Oh, man. Guys, that's a big fish. Like, you know, you don't need a fishing rod. Guys, this is sick. I can't believe that we're just reeling him in with this dog leash. All right, let me unhook this fella. Have a bite. Oh. Oh, I think they're biting it. Let me try it. Got one. Yep, look. He's fighting. Oh, oh my God. Look at this on the dog leash. Sweet. All right, check out this beautiful fish. That was sick. So they can't really fight too much because this is strong like rope right here. That's awesome. Let's see if we can catch a bigger fish on it. We're just gonna let all this out right now. And then just grab this, toss it out as far as we can. And when we get a bite, check it out. When we get a bite, I'm gonna let go of this button. Wow. All right, let's go. All right, so we're waiting for the bite right now. So as soon as we get a nibble, we're just gonna release the button on this dog leash and reel one in. Come on. Let me see. Oh, got one, look. There he goes, look. The retractable dog leash is reeling it in on its own. Oh, it's a bigger one. Another fish on the retractable dog leash. Guys, this is pretty fun. You just throw out the bread when you're hit, you just release and it just winds up the fish on its own. That's a pretty cool fish. What kind of tilapia is that? What kind of fish is that, guys? Comment below. All right. Wow. On the retractable dog leash. This is pretty cool. We're catching big fish using a dog leash. This is sick. Look at this fish. Wow. It's a beautiful fish right there. Beautiful fish on the dog leash. I'm gonna unhook him right now. Sweet. Okay. There you go. Beautiful. Whoop. That was pretty crazy. A duck or whatever that kind of bird was got hit by a car.
There's a lady rescued.
Yep. Lady rescued it. We caught some fish with the dog leash. Guys, answered these trivia questions for you to win a shout out. Trivia question number 1. How many fish did I catch with this dog leash? Trivia question number 2. What happened to that duck? And trivia question number 3. What did I use for bait? Guys, comment the answers below and I'm going to pick one lucky winner to be shouted out in my next video. Alright guys, we're chumming up the water right now. I think they came. Bunch of fish. Wow, they're tearing up the chum bag, bro. They're just tearing it. Oh, there's some cool little trigger fish down there. Watch this. I'm gonna drop my Android down here.
Oh, bro. Oh. Did you get it? Bring it here. Snapper.